Hello guys! For today's video, gagawa tayo ng chicken nuggets. First thing is first, of course, chicken. Breast chicken po yan. Tapos nilagay ko sa food processor. Ayan. Ito ang ating mga ingredients, guys. We have paprika, butter, corn flour, sugar, onion powder, salt and pepper, and garlic powder. Tapos yung chicken. Mix natin yung whole ingredients. Ayan. Sugar. Onion powder. Muntik ng matapon. And then salt and pepper. And then flour. Tapos butter, guys. Tapos ayan na po ang ating mixture, guys. Gagawa naman ako ng breadings. This one is breadcrumbs. And this one is 2 eggs, salt and pepper, white pepper yung ginamit ko, guys. And cornstarch. Tapos i-beat mo lang yan sila. Oopsie. Ayan na yan siya, guys. Bali dyan natin i-dip ang ating chicken nuggets. Ayan na yan siya, guys. Ready to fry. And then, ayan na po ang ating finished product. Thank you for watching. Bye!